fried potatoes. Welcome back to Jest World YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking. In today's video, we are going to make deep fried potatoes. As you can see, I am currently seasoning the potatoes. I will indicate all the ingredients on the description box. Mention the ingredients that I have used. I used garlic, ginger, paprika, and white pepper, and of course salt. If you've come across this channel for the first time, kindly consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos as we post weekly. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. If you have not shared with your friends and relatives, kindly do and request them to subscribe to this channel. If you have any recipe you would like us to share on the channel, kindly comment down below. As you can see, now the potatoes are getting ready to be cooked. We give them a few minutes, say like 5 minutes, so that they completely become crunchy. Also value feedback, so if you have any feedback on the videos aired on our channel for cooking, for finance, and also for community service, kindly comment down below with your feedback. If you would like to support the Umoja Disability cause, kindly let us know. You can also hit us on our social media pages, Facebook, IG. You can also follow Jest Cuisine on TikTok. If you still have not subscribed, kindly consider honoring us with your subscription. It is free of charge and we appreciate each and every one who joins the family. We have a new YouTube channel called Jest Cuisine where we post YouTube shorts relating to cooking, and we shall be posting a shot of the same potatoes. However, they will be oven baked, not deep fried. Kindly check it out and remember to subscribe also to that channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, we value your continued support and we appreciate each and everyone who comes back or who watches our videos. We post on a weekly basis. Kindly therefore hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. For our next video, check it out. Cheers!